Good evening, dear students. This is Vishram Singh Meena, Assistant Professor English working at Government PG College Karoli. Through online mode, we are studying English literature. The lecture of the day is meant for the students of BA Part First. Today we are going to take a literature entitled An Ode. An ode is an elaborately structured poem which is a lyric. It is written to celebrate an occasion or an individual's praise, individual's achievement. The subject matter of the ode is elevated. We can say in its traditional application, ode denotes a long lyric poem that is serious in subject and treatment, elevated in style and elaborate in its stringent structure. That is the definition of an ode, which is an addressed poem. As far as the types of an ode are concerned, we have three kinds of an ode: the regular or pindaric ode, the irregular or the Cowley ode, the Orison ode. These are the three kinds of the ode. Now we will discuss these three kinds of an ode one by one. The regular or Pindaric ode in English is a close imitation of Pindar's form, with all the strophes and antistrophes written in one standard pattern and all the epodes in another. This form was introduced into England by Ben Jonson's ode to the immortal memory and friendship of that noble pair, Sir Lucius Carey and Sir H. Morrison, which was written in the year of 1629. We can summarize it that the regular ode or Pindaric ode was introduced by the Greek poet Pindar, and after the name of Pindar, it is known as the Pindaric ode. Though the ode of Pindar is divided into three stanzas. Strophe, antistrophe, and epode. Let us know about these three things. Pindaric odes have complex stanzas patterned in sets of three. There is the chorus, the Greek ode, which moves in a dance rhythm to the left. The chorus chanted the strophe, and when it moves to the right, the chorus chants the antistrophe. And when they stand still, then they chant the epode. That is the special quality of the ode written by the Greek poet Pindar. It was followed in English literature by Thomas Gray. For example, we can take the Progressive Poesy, which was written in the year of 1757. It is an example of the Pindaric ode that we call the regular ode. Secondly, we have the irregular ode, which is called the Cowley ode also, was introduced in 1656 by Abraham Cowley. Who imitated the Pindaric style and matter but disregarded the recurrent astringent pattern in each strophic triad. Instead, he allowed each stanza to establish its own pattern of varying line lengths, number of lines, and rhyme scheme. That was the difference between the Pindaric ode and the Cowley ode. Abraham Cowley followed the style of the Pindaric ode, but he disregarded the recurrent stringent pattern. So there is the difference lies. This type of irregular stringent structure, which is free to alter in accordance with shifts in subject and mood, has been the most common for the English ode ever since. We can take Wordsworth's ode Intimations of Immortality, which was written in 1807, as an example. The third one is the Horatian ode. The Horatian ode was originally modeled on the matter, tone, and form of the odes of the Roman Horace. In contrast to the passion, visionary boldness, and formal language of Pindar's odes, many Horatian odes are calm, meditative, and colloquial. They are also usually homostrophic, that is, written in a single repeated distinct form, and shorter than the Pindaric ode. There lies the difference. We can take the name of Henry Marvell to write an Orison ode upon Cromwell's return from Ireland, which was written in the year of 1650, and Keats' ode to Autumn in 1820. So these are some examples of the Horatian ode. Pindaric odes were encomiastic, that is, they were written to praise and glorify someone. In the instance of Pindar, the ode celebrated a victorious athlete in the Olympic Games. So we can take some examples. John Dryden's and Killigrew, Grace hymn to adversity, Wordsworth's ode to duty. These are examples of the Pindaric ode. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.